Hey y'all, this is Allison hanging out in my space to craft, and I'm doing some more prep work, creating page kits to go along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. I think I have 4 more page kits here. It's a huge stack of papers and stuff. So let's start with this one on top. I am going to do some pictures of a dinner we had. This is while we were on vacation. Our friends live in Greece 6 months out of the year, and they hosted us to dinner. Our friend Gregory has an outdoor oven that he cooked some delicious, delicious food in. And then this is a view from their house overlooking the sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and their town. So I'm going to do a couple of travel-y things. I've got a little scrap here of a map, but mostly I'm just I was just sort of leaning into some of these colors, these greens, and the terracotta color. I have 4 photos, but I'm going to make this sketch work, which is day number 24 from Lisa Marie Carlson. So I have 4 photos, but these are bigger than the photos I have. And it's hexagons going up the page and some embellishments. So I thought that is the perfect page for scraps. So I've pulled out this to be my background paper, simply because I liked the colors on this ledger paper. And then I went into my scraps, and I think I started with this scrap basically, and I'm going to make the hexagons out of this and take different color hexagons up the page. Hers are showing more like one color of hexagon, but you know, we're going to get some patterns in there. And then I have this one. I think I can get 1 hexagon out of this, 1 or 2 hexagons out of this. I am going to try and make them the same size the way she's done it. And then I also pulled these maybe for some hexagons. And then I have, she also is showing her photos matted. So I have these I can add in. And then I have this for mats. And I have this for photo mats. So I think I'll use those for photo mats. And then I have these papers for more hexagons. This one and this one for more patterns. Or I can use these, but these are journal boxes, not as easy. I don't use these as much anymore, but maybe I'll use one of those. I don't know. So I have plenty of paper. And I think this one's a little bit different color, so we'll hold off on that one. And then I went through my binders, and he was cooking food, and they have a beautiful garden. So I thought those might be appropriate. I have these Vicky Bouton florals, which work, and a little thing that says Happy Day. So let me grab something for these little pieces of ephemera, these florals and stuff, so I don't lose them. Now, I have not yet picked an alpha for this, but, oh, yes, I did. I picked this peachy alpha. Hopefully, I'll be able to find something. And then, since I pulled those Vicky Bouton florals out, I decided to go ahead and pull, I don't know that there's a lot I will use from this, but some. That is from the same print shop, Vicky Booten print shop. So that is my first page kit. And I'm going to include my little reminder, and I have some plastic bags. Just easier to keep them this way rather than in a stack where I tend to start losing things. So this can keep it all together. So this is a great sketch for scraps. And these scraps are from all different things. So, all right. The next one is also a one-page layout, and I'm going to do the day 5 sketch. These were from 2 different days, but that doesn't matter. This was at the end of our first dinner, and in restaurants on Crete, when you finish, they always might bring you some watermelon to eat, or raki, which is a homemade grain alcohol. And then we were on the beach and had the most delicious pistachio cheesecake you have ever had. All of the food at this restaurant was delicious. And so we're going to do day 5. I'm going to do this sketch. I only have 2 photos, but that's okay. I can make this work. It's got a couple of tags on there, which I'll probably make. I might have to make the tags for this one, but pretty straightforward layout, a big box behind, the photos on a box, a strip. So I pulled out some papers from Echo Park. Away we go. So let's see what I have pulled. I loved this one, and it matches the plate from the food. So I think this is probably going to be our background. And then I have this for one of the squares. I have, I think I might have one of these to be the 3rd picture. I could do one of these for a journal box. I have this scrap, which I can do for one of the strips. I have this pretty green to be one of the strips. Let's see. I have pulled some ephemera, and I pulled these 2 alphas, which I may use, I may not, because I also found this. And since I'm talking about dessert, this is from Mercy Tira, and it says Sweet Summer. I may not use the yellow one, but I'm going to use this for the title, I think. And then I pulled a few little pieces of ephemera. Hopefully I haven't lost anything. So let's get an envelope for that. And then from the same page kit, oh, I also have this. From the same page kit, I have the sticker sheet, and I think, and some enamel dots that I think will work. I have a whole bunch. I'm not sure which ones I'll end up using. Is this the day 5? Yes. So I will probably filter those down, but I liked that peach and this green and maybe one of these geo dots. That's my thought anyway. Maybe this peach. No, I'm gonna stick this one away. So I won't use all of these, but what I might do is use this, and then, I don't know. But that is it. Let's see, what was on the back side of this? Oh, that was navy. I think I can make all of this work. So we'll put this in an envelope. And then I have two beachy, watery kind of pages. So this set is a beach called Matala Beach. And there are all these caves up here that were once crypts. And then in the 70s, 60s and 70s, they were hippie caves. And these hippies used to live in there. And then this is the view from up on the hill and the mountain, the view of the beach. So we spent a lovely afternoon. And then that's where, on that beach is where we had that pistachio cake, pie, cheesecake. So this is going to be a 2-page layout. I think I have more pictures than this. There they are. So I have 6 3x4 photos. And I'm going to do my sketch, my day 12 sketch. So let's take a look at the sketch. It is, so I'm going to modify it. I don't happen to have, this would be nice for like a day in the park or the zoo or something like that. But I'm at the beach, so I'm going to do, instead of green here, I'm going to do this kind of wood grain to make it like the hills or the beach. And then I have this paper, which this can be the water and this can be the sky. I kind of like that idea. So I have 2 of these. So we'll go like this, and then the beach will be along here. So that is my idea. And I pulled out these Kiwi Lane funky frills, I think. Oh, layers with Abbey Road. And so I'm going to use this to make some clouds, as it showed in the sketch. So I will have my clouds. I have 2 different fonts. I have this brighter blue in a small font and this bigger one. I'm not sure which I'm going to use. I also have these sand colored enamel dots and these blue ones. We'll see. I have a scrap from the same page kit. I have these for fussy cutting, some shells. I also have some shell dies, and I will probably make use of that. And then I pulled this as well. This won't really fit for the sketch, but I'm keeping it here just in case. And then I also have, this is the, it was Recollections by the Seashore, in case I need any more solids out of here. It's got some other solids. I'm just gonna keep that handy by my desk and then put it away after I finish these pages. And that way I can put, if I have big scraps left over from this, that I can put in there. So that is my idea for that one. I may also put, I wonder if I want to put the gold. I think that might be good too, because there's gold on here. So I'm going to put that in there, and maybe I'll choose to do the gold instead. All right, that is page kit number 3. And then last but not least, page kit number 4. We took a boat trip out to an island called Dia. It was a little bit chilly that day, so we didn't get to swim or snorkel like we wanted, but it was just a beautiful sail. This is the Heraklion Harbor, and then out to Dia. And again, I have 6 pictures, and then this is us on the boat. So those are the photos, and we are going to do day 23 for this one. And the reason I picked it is because I have, let me move these. I pulled some ephemera. This one's cute if I can make it work. It has a boat on it. This one's cute with a map, seize the day, and say yes to new adventures. So those are cute. This set of borders, and I think that will work with this layout. Again, it's a 2-page layout, so I have these 2 pieces of paper for the background, and then I have this for borders, and then I also have this. So I think that I'll try and make this work a little bit. And again, I've kept the whole paper pad in case I need more colors, tone on tones, or gold or something like that. And this has this coppery gold, and so I pulled these alphas out to use with it. And that's trash. The photos and these little bits of ephemera. Let me get those in an envelope. So no inky pages here, but of course I'll do spritz and all that kind of stuff on these. I think I have an idea for alphas for everything, and enamel dots for all of them. Sometimes I forget one or the other. I should really make a checklist, but I think that's okay. Now I don't have a lot of, or any really, ephemera for this. So I need, oh, I have this, but that's it. So we'll see. And I probably need to make some sort of journaling box as well for this one. But I think I can make that work. So let's get that. This is a scrap. I figured if I wasn't going to use a whole sheet, but I think I will use the whole sheets. So that is 4 more page kits and 4 more of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And I'm going to start on those tomorrow. It's past my bedtime. Thanks a lot, y'all.